At the start of this renovation, this was a very dated commercial unit. The last time it was touched was in the early 60s. And with it turning into a clinic, we wanted to make sure that there was a lot of natural light. Natural light became the name of the game for obvious reasons. Light gives you vitamin D, makes you healthier, makes you happier, makes you a little bit more productive. For this reason, we maximize the ceiling by spray foaming the very top of the ceiling and then doing our grid from there. At that point, we were able to achieve 11-foot ceilings. We maximize a lot of the daylight and natural light by doing a lot of glass walls, glass curtains, as some people may know them. But now that you have all this glass, privacy became an issue. So we did frosting where needed. We did dots where it made sense. So that way there was a bit of a separation. If you notice on top, you see glass transoms. We did 2-foot transoms in each of the offices to allow for some of the natural light to work its way through from the very few windows that we had. We picked this beautiful wall color and door color by Alyssa, SA Interiors. And we put swing doors where we could and pocket doors where it made sense. We have a lot of pocket doors. This was complemented by the K & Crowder catch and close, slow close hardware. So therefore there's no banging as you're opening and closing the doors. As we proceed through, you will notice the LED panels for a nice and bright ambient in those early winter nights. We went with a vinyl wood flooring with a cork screw bottom to allow for comfort and durability. As we go to the kitchen, so it was a little kitchenette so that both clients and some of the staff can enjoy a nice break in between their exercises. Over here we have the women's locker room. It was a custom locker system made by Millworks with keypads to make feasible not having to lose your key. So they did a really nice sleek design with the selections from SA Interiors. And as you go into the washroom, we did obviously glass walls, hexagon tiles throughout, and the backlit mirrors for better reflection and so it didn't feel so dark. Tall ceilings accommodate with that, and a rain shower head. As we continue, you will see the Human Performance Lab. This was a very interesting project to work on. We have a beautiful glass wall with double sliding barn door glass doors. And we also have the Rogue wall-mounted bench equipment. We went essentially all the Rogue wall-mounted equipment. We built partitions for COVID on casters, and we also had a custom pull-out privacy curtain in which we embedded the Deerfields logo. One thing that you'll notice on this privacy wall, you'll see dots, and that was put there purposely so that people wouldn't confuse a door opening with glass and run into it. As soon as you get to the main floor, you're greeted by reception. The reception continues the same color scheme as the upstairs, and it is also COVID ready. And then you will notice the same vinyl flooring throughout on the main floor as well. You have these beautiful designer isolation chairs picked up by Alyssa again, SA Interiors. Same color theme with the blues and grays. Ceiling height in this level is 10 feet. Not as tall as the upstairs, but still roomy enough to allow for comfort and space. As you go into the offices, the benefit that this office has on this floor is that each office has a ton of natural light. Next, you'll see the men's locker room. Again, same with the custom made lockers. There's a change room, floating vanity with a backlit mirror. And then you have your water closet and your shower. Water closet for privacy in case there's more than one person at the time. And the same pattern with the hexagon tiles is continuous inside both the water closet and the shower.